11 Labs takes your written script and turns it into a professional voiceover in under a minute. Just start with collaborating with the ChatGPT prompt to write your script. Next, log into 11 Labs, click on Text to Speech in the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. 11 Labs voice library has hundreds of options to choose from. Copy and paste your script to the text box here. Then, pick the voice option that fits your brand and hit Generate. The download feature saves your audio instantly. Drop it straight into CapCut or any video editor. No studio, no microphone, no retakes, just text to speech. For content creators, entrepreneurs, educators, and storytellers, your first professional voiceover is one script away. Our affiliate link to 11 Labs is below in our description. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and let AI work for you. For the month of May, More Insight LLC is offering free 30-minute consultations. If you want to learn how to use 11 Labs voice clone feature, click the link in our bio to set up an appointment.